Go figure. Eh? Go figure. I like to play with numbers, right? So here's something about the Fibonacci. Um, 1, 1, 3, 5, 8. 8 and 5 is 13. I'll take the 5, put it underneath here. It'll give me 13. Then it'll give me 4. Right? Instead of going 13, I'll now go to 4. And I'm going to go up, and 8 and 4 is 12. The reverse of 12, 12, 21, the same thing the Mayans were talking about. When I get this numeric fashion over here, what happens is when 5 comes together, reduces to 4, this is my orange ball in pool. So it's telling me about going through the sun, right? Let's say there's a left to this and the right. The first 3 numbers say A, C, E, H, right? H. How about saying Hashem, right? In the first 3 words. Hashem, U, D, C. Okay, Hashem, U, D, C. Anyways, when we get over here, right, we get 21 becomes 34. And then over here, the same thing. We get 89. I bring back 89. I get 14. M and N. M and N. Emin. Omen. Whatever you want. Yemen. You get 13 and 14 or 45 again. Crosses over, we get into the sun. Since 5 and 5 create 10, it also creates 16. And now I'm going to bring you down to the lower part of this. Just let me finish this off. 89, 9 and 5 is 14 and 1. 9 and 5 is 14, 144. This is the DNA area space. Now we're going to bring it down 144. 144, 1 and 4 equals 5, 5 and 4. I bring it over the other way, right? 144, we'd have 1 and 8. 1 and 4 equals 5, bring down the 4, or shift it the other way, leave the 1, 4 and 4 equals 8, right? So we're, instead of going the 89, the 144 over 89, we'll go 54 over 89. We have 13 and 13. Uranus, gateway, 7 times 7 will create this. Time, we have Jesus, 47 and 47 equals to 94 Uranus. It doesn't matter which way I'm going to use this. And then 89, which is the high sky, high ab. Why is it this? Because piano will become 8, 9, and then we get 1 and 2. How do we do this? Because it's A through G, and then it's A and B again in the piano, and now we're in the gematria system. In the gematria system, all numbers stop at 7, T, GT. We can abbreviate it to anything you want. I'm not going to do that. GT, right? When we bring this down a little bit further, on this cycle over here, this will be 44 and 33. It'll be 33 this way, and it'll be 44 this way. Do you see these 2 stars? And the reason for this is because one is multiplication and the other one is achieved by addition. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3. Area space of the mass, because this word is mass, 33, and space, 44. I just use basic numeric calculations as M is the 13th letter, the first in the 19. 19, 1 and 13 is 33. SP equals to 35, electric company. And ACE equals to numeric value of 9, right? When we bring down this area over here, we end up with 1, 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7. So we now have 1 and 7. We bring down this, we have over here, we now have 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is now reflected the same way as this one. It comes back to 8 and 9 again. This number will bring 8 and 9 back to the same number again. Do you follow? We're going to take this. 4 and 4 is 8. Leave the 1 over here. So we're going to go 9 is alone. 8 and 8 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 1 is alone. We end up with 179. Okay? So now we're going to separate the two. We have 89 and we have 17. We're going to go 1771 and 8998. 9 and 9 is 18. 1 and 8 equals to 9 again. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17. The red sun to the queen, the letter Q. The red sun is the Q to everything. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals 7 and 8, and that is GT, GA, your gateway angel to the heavens of man. Now, when we bring this together, 1 and 7 equals to 8. Bring down the 1, bring down the 7. 1, 8, 7. 1 and 8 is 9. Bring down the 7. Or 1 alone, this will equal to 15. Bring down the 6. So this is what we get over here. So we're going to go back to what happens to 8 and 9 is the same thing as A and B. A and B is the first and the second, as well as the 26th and the 25th letter, the reverse. The total here is 51 and 03. Mars 03, center C is in Mars. We want to bring the 89, okay, will now revert into 1 and 2. 2 and 1 will create number 11. It will create the 10-10 world, number 11. 1 and 2 and 8 is 10. 1 and 9 is 10. All zeros equal 6. 1 and 6, the spirit is 76, if you want to rape it that way. That's the way numbers do. That's what numbers do. This number over here says 9 brings in the sky system, the eye to the sky system. 9 and 8 are locked. They're locked. They're locked. The H and the I bring it in together. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. I have nothing better to do than to play with numbers. Thank you for watching this video.